How can we solve for x in this multiple radical equation? Well, it is very simple. All we need to do is to keep removing the square root sign one after the other and progressing, starting from the largest. We'll remove this one first, later on we'll remove this other one, and then lastly we'll remove this one. That is the procedure. It's very simple and straightforward. Just watch carefully till the end of this video. Solution. We are given the root of 43 plus the root of 30 plus the root of 39 minus 3x. To solve for x, all of that equal to 7. So remember, the root of this equals this means if we square both sides, remember the square cancels the square root. So x is equal to a squared. So we'll keep using this principle throughout. So let's start by removing this first square root. We square both sides. Okay. So let us square both sides. If we square both sides, that is squaring both sides, the square will cancel the first square root sign. So we're left with 43 plus root 30 plus root 39 minus 3x. All of that equals 49. Remember, 7 squared is 49. Now, we should take this 43 from the left-hand side to the right-hand side. It is positive here, going that it will become negative. So it will disappear from here. That's subtracting 43 from both sides. We're left with root 30 plus root 39 minus 3x is equal to 49 minus 43. 49 minus 43 is 6. Okay, so this gives us root 30 plus root 39 minus 3x is equal to 6. All right, now we are at this level. We have to remove this other square root sign. That's the next square root sign. Again, the process is by squaring both sides. So let us square this side and square that side. The square will cancel the square root sign. So the square root sign is gone. We are left with 30 plus root 39 minus 3x to give us 36. 6 squared is 36. We subtract 30 from both sides. When we subtract 30 from here, is 0. We're left with root 39 minus 3x. We'll come over here. We also subtract 30. 36 minus 30 is just 6. So we do not take too much time. We'll just write it there. So what we've done is we've subtracted 30 from here. 30 minus 30, 0. It has gone. I'll come and subtract 30 from here. 36 minus 30 is 6. And so this is what we get. This is the last square root sign to remove. The same process is repeated. We square both sides. Again, the power 2 will always cancel the square root sign. And so we're left here with 39 minus 3x is equal to 6 squared is 36. All right, so now we subtract 39 from both sides. All right, since this is positive 39, so we subtract it from both sides. 39 minus 39 is 0. We're left with negative 3x. We have subtracted 39 from the left-hand side. We also subtract it from the right-hand side. So we say 36 minus 39. We see that it is negative 3. So we'll come here, we'll write negative 3. So we get to this point where we have negative 3x is equal to negative 3. So the last thing to do is to divide both sides by negative 3 because we want to solve for x. Negative cancels negative, 3 cancels 3. Negative cancels negative, 3 cancels 3. And so here we have 1. Therefore, the value of x is 1. So this multiple radical equation, the solution for x is that x equals 1.